Hey, how's it going everyone? This is Chris from Feldmann Imports. Today we're taking a look at a Lexus GX460. This one's a 2019. Underneath the hood's a 4.6 V8 with 301 horsepower and 329 pounds of torque. This one has 18-inch wheels. The tires are in good condition. Black leather interior. Dark wood trim. Sunroof. Rear climate controls, trailer hitch, GX460 badging. Open up the tailgate, got a set of all season and regular floor mats, fold down third row seats. Power windows, memory seats, power seats, steering wheel controls. A push start ignition, rear view backup camera, navigation, dual climate controls, heated and cooled seats. This GX460 has 16,486 miles. Carfax and service records available online. If you'd like to view more photos of this 2019 Lexus GX460, check out feldmanimports.com.